slowing the breakdown of neurotransmitters. There is like, I have listed down a list of chemicals which you've written in the book, right? The cycad seeds, starting from cycad seeds to DDT, rotenone, and you talked about paraquat, which is still, what I understand is in 2021 EPA approved the continued use of paraquat, which is
been banned by
interesting.
China and 50 other countries. So we
and
spray
I think
phos.
chlorpyrifos, yeah. And trichloroethylene, I think the water specifically, I'll come to that. But this is, interesting to understand. Still, these are still prevalent in the environment, right?
Yeah, and we're still using them. So as I alluded, the weed killer paraquat, over 50 countries, including China, have banned, but the United States still use. So the United States is still using a weed killer that China has banned, that England has banned, refuses to use it on the British population, but England exports it to Brazil, Mexico, and the United States. All of these things, as you allude to, have a common mechanism. So our brain's about 2% of our body weight, but 30% of our energy consumption. Even though you and I aren't physically moving very much right now, our brains are working quite hard.
Right.
And to work hard, you need to convert sugars, glucose, into energy. And so in your brain are nerve cells, neurons, and these neurons account for 75% of the energy consumption of the brain. And these neurons are full of mitochondria, which are just the little portions of inside the cells that convert glucose into energy. All these chemicals that we just talked about, paraquat, DDT, chlorpyrifos, trichloroethylene, air pollution, all damage the energy producing parts of cells called the mitochondria.
If this sparked a thought, imagine the full conversation. Tap to subscribe and explore with us.